Tropical storm beryl has formed in the Atlantic about 800 miles east of Barbados. And it is heading west quite rapidly. Barbados and other Eastern Caribbean islands have already put out tropical storm warnings, and it is expected that by Monday morning, tropical storm beryl will probably have strengthened and would be in the region of Barbados. Various models have projected that tropical storm beryl will probably impact Jamaica. All the models have suggested that if it is not a direct impact, it will be in the vicinity of Jamaica. We expect that this will bring adverse weather conditions. And we expect that by Wednesday morning, we will be experiencing such conditions. So the relevant agencies will put out the necessary warnings as the system develops. I am merely giving you advance warning. And this is for you to make some decisions about how you're going to prepare if this tropical storm strengthens and becomes a hurricane and does impact Jamaica. So you should be making your decisions now about getting your precautionary stocks of goods, food, water, batteries, candles, having your critical and essential documents properly secured. If you have trees that could be a threat to your house, your residence, take action to prevent that. It is always in your best interest to be prepared. If the weather event passes and there is no impact, you would have lost nothing. But you would not want an impact to occur, and you did not prepare for it. So I'm encouraging all Jamaicans to get your precautionary stocks in place, your stocks of goods, food, your batteries and candles.